I grew up in the rebuilding industry. I'm with Liberty Truck Sales out of Mounds, Oklahoma, and I've been a Copart member for right at 22 years now. I come to the sale out here direct day before the auction. I will look at almost every vehicle that they have available in the sale. I narrow it down to 20 or 30 vehicles. I go back to the office. I look up how much it's going to cost me in parts and how much the labor is going to run, and I just basically break it all down to where I know concrete exactly what I can give for that vehicle. I use the filters quite a bit to narrow down my search. For instance, if I'm looking for a Chevy half-ton pickup, well, I can narrow that down by the engine. I can narrow it down by four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive. I can narrow it down by the transmission. The number one thing that I like about Copart is the staff. It's just incredible. You get that feeling of they just really appreciate your business. You know, I've been to a lot of other Coparts, and whenever I walk in, it's the same exact way.